my hair, I still had cream. I still had cream, the cream bleach, which is to me was stronger than the powder bleach. And I used that with a little bit of powder just to get what I wanted, like 2 ounces. And then I still had my Sally's 20 developer. And I remember I had a tiny bit of 40 that I had put in there, so that's a little bit stronger. And I poured that in, and then I let it go up to another 2 ounces, and then I mixed it. And I did my roots first, and then I can't see in the back even with a mirror, because I would need like a huge mirror, and I have like one of those long body type mirrors, and you put it on one side, you can only see one side, not the other side. So I'm just gonna feel it out. So I tried to get the roots in the back, and then it ran out. So I used powder, and it was so thick. I did the 1 to 1. So then I did 2 to 1, and it was still thick, and so there was a little bit left. So I poured the rest of it in. So it was more like 3 to 1 of the powder to the toner, not the toner, the developer, and barely anything happened in the back. My hair is still blue in the back, and my roots, like some of my roots took, but like some did not. It's still like black, and so I'm just really trying for my hair not to fall out. I miss my long, beautiful, thick hair. But it took to the roots well. So that cream developer is definitely stronger than the powder. They say it's softer, but it's not. And it was ions that I was using. So probably next weekend, I'm going to give my hair a chance to breathe. I minimal hair loss. I already knew my ends were fried. I figured if I'm gonna lose anything, it'd be that. And I think that's all that I lost was the very ends. And I next week I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna give it a chance to breathe. I did put the bonder in. I forgot the brand. I showed it to you once, but I did put the bonder in. I had actually. What I do first, because that developer burns my scalp, which is why I got the iron sensitive scalp. I just wanted to finish this one, and I have this. Let me see. Yes to soothing scalp. I think it's green tree or tea tree. So I have like a shampoo of this, and it has scrubbing particles in it. So I put that in my scalp because my scalp was itching. So I try to rub it into my scalp, and I'm washing and washing. And then when I went to put conditioner in, I was like, I still could feel the grit. So I washed out the conditioner, and I used a deep type of conditioner, a very strong conditioner, Elvive, or I think it's called Elvive. And I put it again, and then after I brushed out my hair to detangle it, and again minimal hair loss. I just washed it out again, but then when I went to go put oil in my hair, I still felt the grit. So I just left I put coconut oil, I put shea butter in, and I left that in all day. And then when I took a shower, because I do my bleaching during the day, so that early evening I go to take a shower, I just conditioned it again. I washed out, not with shampoo, and I just rinsed out to make sure I get all the grit, and then I just put that deep conditioner in again, and then I put oil. I put more oil in my hair, and then this morning I put the argan oil and some coconut oil, and just surprised I had very minimal hair loss. So anyway, this is one I had from hair loss from before, but I still have scraggly left, but I keep it just so that when I do videos or pictures, I could keep it like this. And so I'm gonna have to do it again next Sunday and get that blue. I heard blue is the hardest. I had magenta, so you can still see some of that magenta didn't come out. I did my roots first because they were so dark, and then I just poured a bunch on the actual hair, and so I had the least amount on the hair. And so I'll just this time no matter how thick it is, I'm just gonna do 1 to 1, If I have to make more, I'll make more. I usually do 2 ounces to 2 ounces and do the back and try to get this blue out and try to get the remainder of this magenta out, because I'm not going to be able to do pastel. I want to do a rainbow pastel, and with this blue I'm not going to be able to. I might have to do the yellow and the orange in the front, because if this stays blue I'm not going to be able to do it in the back, but I can do in the back, green, blue, and purple. So I might have to do that, because that's going to go well, especially since I have lime green. It'll cover up the blue for the green, and then the purple will just be kind of bluish. But so anyway, that's the story with my hair. Just wanted to let you guys know that Wet n Wild was supposed to release last Tuesday. That's the day after I did my video. So they had to release the the collection, and they were saying they didn't do it. Everybody was waiting all day, and they didn't do it. And they just said, please be patient, they'll do it the next day. And they released everything except the little pineapple house. And they said they'll be getting that in soon. So people, that PR box, and I believe the highlighter and the eyeshadow sold out within a few hours. Then, out of nowhere, Ulta put up the box collection, and I still keep doing research, because, like I said last time, I would like to see what all the colors are in this collection, just to make sure that I got everything. What I'm noticing is I think it was the lip glosses, they have a lot more warm toned colors, and they're new colors, because I keep checking on Instagram to see what people buy. And so far there's 2 new lip glosses, but they're warm colors, which is something the only one I was interested in was last year's Rose Gold. So I just would like to see. And then because they have 2 highlighter colors, I wanted to see if maybe there were more. So I don't think Wet n Wild is going to even announce it. Unless they're going to have it on their website. I don't think they want the backlash. But, I asked them on Instagram, when are you going to announce this? So, because if they have a link to Walmart, then it would tell me what everything is. Because still I cannot find any information except the Seam Double Tube Glitter. But as I kept, I kept searching, you won't find nothing if you put it in the Walmart website, but I kept searching, on Google and stuff like that, and a few things did come up. Just 2 or 3 things came up, like the face gems. I think what came up was stuff that was not in last year's collection. But that's about it. Just a few things I saw, maybe 2 or 3 things out of this entire collection. And I just, out of curiosity, I put in, SpongeBob. And again, only 2 or 3 things came up. And these things, they link you to where you can find it on the Walmart website, but not the entire collection will come up. So, I wish that Walmart would have it more together when it comes to that. But it keeps saying that my Walmart across the street has it. I was going to go there last Tuesday. Remember I told you I had to do a couple of things. I returned that brown and got this brown. I had to go there. I had to go out. I took my son out to Webster. He's been going through some hard times, so I took him out to Webster to go shopping at all the game stores. There's 3 game stores out there. There's GameStop and 2 others, and that sell the older games. And so we found one in Alvin too, and so I just wound up going there, and they took down the display. The one out in Webster was where I found the Aqua highlighter. And while I was there shopping for my nephew's birthday gift, it was down. They took it down already. So I don't know if they moved it. I don't know what they did with it. But I was tired. I had a long day, so I didn't even bother to ask. I just was dying to get home already. Um, so they took it down already. So, but it keeps saying that mine has it now. I haven't. I was gonna go to mine, but I haven't been there yet. I know I'm gonna have to go there this week because there's a couple of things I need to pick up. But it keeps saying that five left, five left, five left, five left. Like that hasn't changed. So I don't know if they've put it up yet. And if they put it up, I'm pretty sure SpongeBob was picked clean. But I just wanted to see if there was another illuminator highlighter. You know, I know so far they had the pinkish one and they had the aqua one. I don't know. I just want to see if there were others. So anyway, just want to let you know that still no information about it. Still no way to get it via the website. You got to check, like Google it, and you'll find a couple of things that will link you to where you can buy it on. Well, you can't buy it at the Walmart website. It just tells you what store has it. So, you know, I know I went to mine like 2 or 3 times since they said mine has it, and it's not there. If they put it out this weekend, I won't even know but I do need to go this week. But anyway, so that's the story with all of that. So yeah, so I know that Amazon says they're going to ship on the 28th. They did the pre-orders on the 20th, but they haven't gotten stock in. The Wet n Wild assures us that they will give them more stock. So for more people who want to pre-order. So let's see what happens with that. And so yeah, hopefully next week I'll have my Bob's Burgers. I love that show. The SpongeBob, which I only watch a couple of times. And you know, hopefully I'll get it by then. So yeah, so pretty much that's it.